All right guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm currently on the way to go drop my car off to get the alignment fixed because this shit right here dead. I also just put the other quart of I just put the last quart of transmission fluid in, so I'm gonna drive it down there right now and I'm gonna have them fix me up because this alignment right here, this is straight and then this is slightly turned that way, so I need that fixed ASAP. I think it happened because the owner did tell me that her and her dad had put outer tie rods on it, if I can remember right, and I guess they didn't get it aligned, so we're gonna go do that now because this shit right here dead. Let's do a little pull up under the highway though. The way this car feels, it feels so great. I can't wait to get it tuned. I think I gotta fix my sport mode before I get it tuned though. I think. I mean, I want to anyway. I gotta take that dash apart and figure out why it's not going into sport mode. Definitely not going into sport mode. Don't know why. Let's make this beautiful U-turn. Swerve it, swerve it, swerve it. Pull off in here. Do, 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 do. Park right here in the spot. All right, my baby's up here. About to get the alignments. Where my dog at? This for the other car. It's the white Dodge out there. All right. All right, I'll be seeing my baby in about an hour. All right, guys, so I just picked up the car from the alignment shop. So the steering wheel was way too off. And for him to make it back straight, he would have had to pretty much, he said that he would have, let me let my windows up. My windows up. So he said that in order for him to make the steering wheel straight, that if he would have did it the way he was supposed to, that pretty much the tie rods would have came out the car. Because I guess when you turn it that much that way to put it back in that way, that one has to come out, this one has to go in. So he would have had to take that one too far out, and it probably would have came out of the car because it wouldn't have had no support. So I guess, I mean, I knew that anyway, but I just thought maybe since when I turned it this way, the steering wheel, the wheels wasn't turned as much, I was like, oh, maybe they'll be able to figure it out. But nope. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take the steering wheel off, and I'm gonna take the thing out, the airbag, take the steering wheel off, take the nut out, and I'm gonna spin the steering wheel and put the steering wheel back on straight. And then the alignment will be straight from there. But I'll probably end up taking the car back to them again and let them realign it, because I know they'll do it for free. So I'm doing that. I'm going to pull the car back inside of the shop. I'm gonna change the wheels. So I'm gonna put the wheels from the old G on here and put these on that G. That's what I'm gonna do today. Let's get them parked up. Boom. Get one of those down too. Okay guys, we are here, and so the way you do this is it's gonna be 2 tabs on each side, one over here, one over here. You pop the tabs out, hold it, you pop the tabs out, and then you're gonna have 2 of these screws. They're T30s, but you see in the middle they have a thing in the middle, so you're gonna need a Torx bit that has the hole in the middle like that one, and those 2 come out. You pull the middle out and you got to get to this bolt. This is a 19, so I'm gonna take this bolt out now, take the steering wheel off, and then put it back straight. Please. All right guys, we got the steering wheel back on. Fucking stop, B. Look at this dude making a beat on my goddamn door. Now we got it back in, got the screws back in, everything back on, steering wheel's back in place, and now the steering wheel straight. I could have been did this, I was just being lazy. I thought maybe they could do it, but whatever. Anyways, now that's done. The next thing that we have today, you said it's 12:40 something? I'm going to get the car registered today. My appointment's at 1:50, and then we're going to come back and we're going to swap wheels from the other G on this one. So I think I might do that right now while I'm not doing nothing else. All right, guys, so here's the other G. Here's the other G. I really don't like these wheels that much, but they got brand new tires, and this one needs tires, so we just gonna swap them over. Put these on there. And I'm gonna put some old 350Z wheels on here for now. That's what we're gonna do. Anyways, let me get this in there though. I need to get this inside. Hey, put this in there. All right, guys, so I had some old Z wheels from one of my customers. He had me put wheels on his, and he had just put these brand new tires on here. But he said I can keep them, so they came in handy. It's like literally brand new. But I forgot I gave two of them to my cousin a while ago to burn up, so I gotta put these on this side, and then I got those over there. G over here putting this on here. My brother putting these up on that G. I'm not gonna show you guys till it gets done. I really don't like these wheels that much, but they got brand new tires on them, and these are old, so I'm gonna just burn those up, or not burn them up, but I'm gonna just use those up until it's time to put tires on. I already have another set of wheels, but I'm not gonna put those on yet either. But whatever. At least we'll have brand new tires. That's less money I gotta spend putting tires on other ones. And then we'll have all the same wheels around, at least on one of the cars. Because the Beamer, I'm getting tired of that mismatched wheel shit. But anyways, right now I'm about to get ready to go to the DMV to get the tag for the G. So that's what we're about to do right now. Hey, what time is it? 1:43? Oh shit, I gotta go. It's 1:43. All right, y'all, let me tell y'all how stupid I am. So I did my appointment yesterday, and I thought the appointment was today, but it's for Thursday. Fucking damn me. I don't know how I did that. I was just too anxious to get this car registered and shit, but yeah, I done flew to the DMV. I'm late. I got here like 10 minutes late, flying, wasting all this gas and all of that extra shit, flying around. And the freaking appointment isn't until Thursday. Ow, shaking my hand. I feel so dumb. Just to show y'all how in a rush I was to get here. This is my brother's car. Dang, I don't know if you guys can see that. But it says, oh shoot. Before I left the shop, it says 75 miles to empty. That bitch says 68 now. And the DMV is only like 5 minutes from my shop. That's how bad I was fucking on the gas, nigga, because I was like, oh, I'm late. Oh, that for nothing. So I'm gonna go put gas back in my brother's car right now, cause I know I used up a pretty good amount of it. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back to the shop so we can finish up the G. All right, guys, so these wheels are on. Not really the biggest fan of these wheels at all, but they got brand new tires on them, so they gotta get used. These were the ones from the G. If you watched the G, the video when I bought the other G, they had just put these wheels on here. She had spent like $1,000 for these wheels, she said, for all four. Like 200 miles before I came and bought it. So, oh well. I'll probably keep them. I can probably work with them out, you know. But they're missing the center caps on two of them. They need to be repainted and some more good stuff. I was gonna clean it, but I'm gonna wait to get the whole car clean, so I'll just wait on that. But yeah, I guess I dig them. Hopefully I get this car clean today. I got a buddy that's supposed to come clean it today and when I get home, because this thing is super dirty like I showed in the last video. But we'll see. And let me pull this thing out and then finish the rest of my day at work, since I didn't have to go to the DMV today like a dummy. From where? From Simi? Yeah. Oh, wait, that's where you live at?
Yeah.
Oh, you live way out there.
I usually charge $4 for gas.
Yeah, I was just about to say I thought you some extra then. I didn't know you come from way out there. That's that drive.
That Honda gets like 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, I was about to say, yeah, but you using him, so that motherfucker get you good ass gas mileage.
Yeah. finish drying that one off. I'm gonna let it sit.
Ah, yeah, you good. Yes, sir. That thing's way cleaner now. Why is this bug on me? Yes, sir. Clean as hell. Look at that. That sunroof ain't dirty no more. I know it's gonna look a lot better in the sun, but y'all can still tell the difference already. This thing was stupid dirty. Looks way better now. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So here's the finishing product from when he watched the car last night. I couldn't show y'all last night because obviously it was dark when he got done. But it looks a lot better than it did before. I still hate these wheels. I really do. But whatever. We're gonna rock it out for a little while. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Just a short little video about what I had to do on it today, finishing it up. Probably gonna I might do another video. I might do another video today or tomorrow for it. I gotta figure out something else to do for it. But I might just ordered a couple things for it, like that side marker, because that's gone. And a couple other little like looks mods. But I think the next thing we're gonna do to this car is probably lower it, because I do not like how this suspension is so bouncy. And yeah, after driving the Beamer for so long with coilovers, I'm used to that by now. So yeah, we gonna get that figured out. It's all clean inside too. But yeah, all right, so thank you all for watching. Make sure y'all drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Keep up with the G35 build, because we got a lot more new stuff coming up soon. See y'all on the next one.